So, welcome student to this introduction to nonlinear optics and its application course. Myself is Dr. Samudra Roy and I am from physics department IIT Kharagpur. So, I will be your course instructor, and in this particular course you will going to learn about the nonlinear optics, the basics of nonlinear optics and its related application as the name suggests. So, we will start in this course, we will start from the basic optics, because basic optics is the building block of nonlinear optics. So, nonlinear optics is a subject that appear when the light is interacting with the medium and the medium response to the light is nonlinear. That means, in order to excite to the medium so that it do some kind of nonlinear effect, you need to launch a light with very high intensity. So, we will going to learn first how in the linear optics the behavior of the light inside a material or a medium, then gradually going to learn how if I insert some kind of high intensity light inside a medium which is nonlinear in nature, then under this light, introduction of this light or incident, because of this incidence of light, how this nonlinear material behaves. So, this course is essentially for the student who going to learn more about photonics. This is the branch of a photonics subject. So, it will be helpful for the students who will going to take photonics as their research topic in future. Also, the MTech students who are going to learn more about the optics and the higher study, if you are going to do the higher study in optics, it will be a helpful topic also. Those who are going to do their PhD course in optics or in photonics, this will be a very introductory course to them, but very useful, because we will going to learn the light matter interaction in detail in this particular course. So, light matter interaction basically gives you a phenomena when light and matter will interact and you will get something out of that. In nonlinear optics, we will get different kind of frequency. So, it is nothing but the frequency mixing. That means, when you launch an optical light inside a medium, because of the nonlinear behavior of the medium, what happened, we will going to get different kind of frequencies. That it itself a fascinating phenomena, because you are launching one particular frequency to the system and in the output you are getting different kind of frequencies. There are different kind of nonlinearity in the system that we are also going to learn in detail in our course, that first order nonlinearity, second order nonlinearity and so on. The first order nonlinearity is normally termed as chi2 effect. In chi2 effect, we are going to learn very basics of different frequency generation, namely the second, it is also called the second order effect because it is related to chi2. But at the end of the day, we will going to find out how different frequency will going to evolve. So, frequency is a term very important in nonlinear optics, and different frequency will going to generate, but also we will going to learn how this frequency will going to generate inside the material, how the field, optical field will behave inside the material, and all the things will be done through basic knowledge, that means from first hand principle. So, we will start from a equation which is well known to us, and then gradually we will going to build up the nonlinear effect on that. So, from very basic, from the very scratch, we will learn how this nonlinear optics will evolve. Also, as this course is mentioned, that there will be some kind of application. So, we will going to learn how different kind of application one can think of with this nonlinear optics, with the knowledge of nonlinear optics, and how useful it is in future or in future photonics, how important this kind of study, that will also going to learn. So, with this note, I am really happy that you will going to take this kind of course. It will be really a exciting course to you, and I hope you will thoroughly enjoy this course. With this note, thank you very much, and thank you very much for taking this course. Thank you.